In front of me is ACER Iconia M10, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Library on the left. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your photos you wish to delete and use those type of dots at the top left corners to select multiple. Now to keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the top of the library section and at the bottom of Photos 1. Either way, hit Go Red and choose Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!